Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting one strong app and opening your photo. Do this now. You want originals or RAW for maximum latitude, so import immediately and enable cloud backup. Once done, toggle the grid and autosave to prevent accidental loss. Make sure to set color space or export settings early so edits remain consistent. From here, create a new edit session and name it. This preserves version history and helps you compare before and after. You proceed by fixing the exposure and contrast, drop highlights, lift shadows, and nudge exposure by stops until detail returns. Next, adjust white balance. Use the eyedropper or tweak temperature and tint so skin tones and whites look natural. Once balanced, move to selective tools. Brush, radial, and gradient for targeted clarity, sharpening, or desaturation. Make sure to zoom and check edges. If needed, reduce noise before sharpening to avoid halos. Save a snapshot so you can return to this mid-stage. You finish by making global tweaks. Add gentle sharpening, final crop with your desired aspect ratio, and apply subtle vignette to guide the eye. Once satisfied, export using the right format, JPEG for online, TIFF, or PNG for print, and choose quality around 80% for web to balance size and fidelity. If colors shift after export, check color profile and revert white balance adjustments. Once done, soft proof in the app or re-export.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.